Hey everyone! If your LinkedIn messages are not sending or getting stuck, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix LinkedIn messages not sending in 2026. First, check your internet connection, weak or unstable. Internet can prevent messages from sending properly. Next, refresh the page or restart the LinkedIn app. I mean, this can fix temporary glitches and loading issues quickly. Make sure you are connected with the person you are trying to message. LinkedIn sometimes restricts messaging for non-connections unless you have premium. Clear your app cache or browser data. I mean, old files can cause errors and prevent messages from sending. Make sure your LinkedIn app is updated. Outdated versions may have bugs that affect messaging. Disable VPN or browser extensions. I mean, these can interfere with LinkedIn features and block messages. Also check LinkedIn server status. If messaging services are down, you will need to wait until it is fixed. So yeah, that's how you fix LinkedIn messages not sending in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your messages should start working normally again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more LinkedIn tutorials for fast and easy fixes.